The 60-100 spreader control supports various methods of detecting and displaying a low pre-wet or direct liquid material warning on the display. Depending on the calibration setting, the liquid pump output may be shut off when the low liquid condition occurs to protect the pump components from operating dry and being damaged. In this example, the direct liquid tank and pre-wet liquid tanks are utilizing the low liquid countdown feature. The pre-wet tank is full with 400 gallons remaining. However, the direct tank is low with 40 gallons remaining as indicated in red. If your truck's liquid system has a liquid flow meter sensor installed, the liquid system pump will give a feedback error and automatically shut off after this flow meter has not detected liquid for 10 seconds and will display the feedback error on screen warning in red. This warning will reset when the spreader is rebooted. However, will reoccur again after 10 seconds if the flow meter does not detect liquid has been added to the tank. The 60-100 spreader control supports both float switch style sensors and flow meter sensors for liquid level monitoring. Your truck may be equipped with one or both. The dual redundancy setup enhances safety and operational efficiency. However, it's not necessary to receive a warning indicator on screen. The float switch sensors are installed within the tank and will activate after 10 seconds of liquid being low and automatically reset after 60 seconds of liquid being added. The delay is intended to prevent sloshing from generating false warnings. When the liquid flow meter no longer detects liquid for a period of 10 seconds, the 60-100 spreader control will also display a low liquid warning on screen, as well as a feedback error and disable the liquid system. If the liquid countdown feature is being utilized, a value of, for example, 100 gallons remaining can be configured within the calibration menu to activate a low liquid warning as well. This warning can only be reset by inputting the amount of liquid the tank was refilled with into the materials menu on the 60-100 spreader control. In summary, there are three methods of detecting low liquid levels in a tank. Float switch triggers a warning. This resets automatically after 60 seconds upon tank refill. Flow meter triggers a warning and will display a feedback error. This is reset by rebooting the spreader control. Low liquid countdown triggers a warning, reset by manually entering the amount refilled into the materials menu. The technique used determines whether the warning automatically clears upon refilling the tank or if additional steps are required.